Learning React.js is not an easy task when you're just getting started. There are hundreds of YouTube videos, Udemy courses, or tutorials available to teach you React. But it contains a lot of content that is not easy to grasp. Also, it takes a lot of time to go through these videos or tutorials, which is time-consuming. So to fix this issue and to make it easy for you to learn React.js, I'm conducting a 3-hour live masterclass through Zoom on July 22nd where you will learn React from scratch. We will start from beginning and you will learn every concept you need to know to easily learn React. So you don't have to browse through hundreds of resources to understand any concept. So we will start from React basic concepts like JSX. Then we will cover class components and functional components. Then you will learn how to work with state and props, how to handle simple as well as complex forms, also how to work with events in React. Then you will learn the most useful React hooks like useState, useEffect, useReducer, and other hooks. How to use Context API to avoid prop drilling. Then you will learn how to implement routing in your React application for navigation. Finally, you will learn how to deploy the React application to production. While learning all of these topics, you will learn some tips and React best practices also. This 3-hour masterclass is on July 22nd, which is coming Saturday. So sign up for this masterclass at just Rs. $399 or $5. Even if you can't make it to the masterclass, still sign up and you will get the recording of the masterclass. There are limited seats available as the masterclass will be through Zoom meeting. So hurry up and book your seat now. You can find the link to join this masterclass in the description of this video. I'm very excited to teach you everything you need to know to learn React.js, so see you on July 22nd.